I'll go ahead and finish assembling the legs. This step is a bit tricky, so we have to pay very close attention to the picture. So we'll take one of the legs, let's say this one, make sure it matches the picture and make sure that we find a servo that when installed like this will point, curve in direction opposite to this one. So it will curve downward where this one is up and away. I find difficulty explaining, but it should look like this. So this is correct. And this is not correct. As you can see that this one is curving up and this one also goes up. So this is wrong. This is the wrong servo for this leg. We want the leg to look like this. Okay, we'll just temporarily put the servo here, but before we are putting the servo, we want to protrude this connector through this opening here as shown on this picture. Again, the menu is not that good, but this should help keeping the wires away from the moving servos. So again, we mount it loosely. We're not going to tighten the bolt here since we will need to center the servo, but we just want everything to hold together temporarily until we assemble it, then program the ESP8266 so we can center the servos. Assemble the same way another leg, this one, which is identical to the one we assembled, and this one will be a mirror image. So this one will look completely mirror image to this one, as you can see, pointing away from this here downwards where this thing goes up. So up, down. And finally the last one. These two should look identical, and these two should look like a mirror image. And our four legs are assembled, except that we need to put bolts in the axles, but we'll do that after making sure the servos are properly centered. This step here is complete as shown on the picture.